Hey guys, I'm Tyler Beabout with Modern Real Estate. I wanted to go over a couple of those things that you'll get from us when we come out to your house to analyze your property. So first is a comprehensive market analysis and a market pricing strategy of what your house is worth right now after we walk through it, looking at the condition on if we went to market, what it would bring and what you would take home. The second part is we go through everything on additional repairs and or improvements that might be able to value you way more with profit in the end, and those can be paid for and helped pay for by us and other contractors that will be paid at closing. So no expense to you, just increases your profit. And then third is a cash offer. Yes, I will offer a cash offer on every single property that I go to, whether it's $2,000 to $2 million. You will get a cash offer. If you like that offer, we can move forward and put something together. It's a nice, easy transaction. So have us out, get all the numbers, get all the facts, and the transparency. And I can't wait to talk to you guys and see your property. Thanks.